I like 'em big, I like 'em chunky, I like 'em big, I like 'em plumpy.
White rhinos are an endangered species that are being closely studied in captivity and in the wild. The white rhino differs from the black rhino not because of color, but because of their lip shape. In fact, both white and black rhinos are actually gray. Some characteristics of the white rhino include an outstanding sense of smell and hearing. White rhinos also have two horns. Females use their horns as a way to protect their young, while males use them to fight. They have a lifespan of about 25 to 45 years. Their heads and bodies measure from 11 to 13 feet with a tail measurement from about 20 to 27 inches long. White rhinos weigh from about 3,000 to 8,000 pounds each. They are herbivores, and their diet consists mostly of short grasses. Their habitats include open savannas and grasslands. White rhinos live in the northern savannas of Central Africa. White rhinos often relax in the shady areas that they can find. They often roll around in the mud or find a watering hole in an effort to cool down. The mud acts as a natural bug repellent and sunblock for the tough rhino skin. The classification of the white rhino goes as follows. Female white rhinos reach sexual maturity at ages 4 to 6 and the males at ages 10 to 12. They have a gestation period of about 16 months. The female rhinos reproduce only for about 2.5 to 5 years out of their lives. As of today, only about 11,000 white rhinos are alive in the wild. The main cause of the white rhino population depletion has been poaching and hunting. In the past, there has been uncontrolled hunting of the white rhino, which has caused the drastic decrease in population number. The largest threat that the white rhino population faces in the present day is poaching. White rhinos are poached most commonly for their horns. Treehugger.com stated that a kilogram of rhino horn is worth about $60,000 on the black market. This means that rhino horn is worth about $20,000 more per kilogram than gold. White rhinos are easily captured and killed because they are not aggressive mammals and live within herds. Matthew Lewis, an African species expert, stated that white rhinos are a spectacular conservation success story, but the current poaching crisis could reverse all of our conservation gains. As well as being hunted and poached, white rhinos face another threat, which is the loss of their habitat due to agriculture and settlements. It is important that the white rhino species does not go extinct because they play an important role in their ecosystem. The WWF stated that the protection of rhinos helps protect other species. Rhinos contribute to economic growth and sustainable development through the tourism industry, which creates job opportunities and provides tangible benefits to local communities living alongside rhinos. In conclusion, it is important that the white rhino population does not go extinct. This can be done by several ways, including monitoring and providing protection, providing more laws that ensure safe and healthy habitats, creating conservancies, and more.
I like 'em big, I like 'em chunky.